Want to make your lock screen look way better with full-size widgets in iOS 18.4? Here's how to do it. It's super easy. Start by unlocking your iPhone and press and hold on your lock screen. Then tap Customize and choose Lock Screen. Now tap on the Add Widget option, and from here you will see compatible apps that support larger widgets. For example, Apple's built-in apps like Weather, Calendar, and Batteries now offer full width widget. Just tap on one of those and the full-size widget takes up the entire space neatly. And if you don't see the option yet, make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 18.4. That's where the feature was added. Go ahead and mix it up to make your lock screen more useful and better looking too. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.